RBI Cheque Update 2025 Clearance in Hours and New Bounce Penalty Explained. What is a cheque? A cheque, under Section 6 of the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, is a negotiable instrument. It is a written instrument, signed by the drawer, containing an unconditional order that directs a bank, drawee, to pay a specific amount of money to the payee or bearer on demand. Drawer, the person who issues the cheque. Drawee, the bank. Payee, the one who receives the payment. Cheques can exist in paper form or in electronic form, so in short, a cheque is not just a piece of paper, it's a legal instrument of trust in banking. 2. Old system and problems. Earlier, cheque clearance in India took 2 or 3 working days. Example 1. If you deposited a rent cheque on Friday, you would only see the money by Monday or Tuesday. Delays like these often created stress in managing bills. Example 2. Imagine a family receiving a cheque for emergency hospital expenses. Because clearance took 2 to 3 days, they couldn't use the money immediately and had to borrow from others just to start treatment. This system caused cash flow problems for small businesses, delays in personal expenses, and settlement risks for banks. RBI's 2025 Revolution Faster Clearance. To fix this, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, announced a revolutionary change. From October 4, 2025, all banks in India must clear cheques within 6 hours of issue. This will happen in 2 phases. Phase 1. Starting October 4, 2025, cheques processed continuously between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Drawee banks must confirm cheque status by 7 p.m. same day. If the bank does not confirm, cheque is deemed approved automatically. Settlements begin at 11 a.m. and continue hourly. Funds must be released to customers within 1 hour after settlement. Example: a shopkeeper deposits a 50,000 rupees cheque at 10 a.m. By evening 7 p.m., it's cleared, even if the bank doesn't respond. He gets funds by night, restocks goods same day, and keeps business moving. Phase 2. Starting January 3, 2026. Drawee banks must confirm cheque status within 3 hours of receiving the cheque image. If they fail, cheque is auto-approved. Hourly settlements and quick fund release continue. Example: A businesswoman deposits a cheque at 9 a.m. By 12 noon it's cleared, and by 1 p.m. she has money in her account, helping her pay staff or vendors the same day. What is cheque bounce? A cheque bounce happens when the bank refuses to honor the cheque. Reasons include insufficient funds, wrong signature, overwriting or expired cheque, stop payment instructions. Example 1. A tenant issues a 20,000 rupees rent cheque but has only 15,000 rupees in his account. Cheque bounces, landlord doesn't get rent. Example 2. A shopkeeper receives a 1 lakh cheque. It bounces, he can't buy stock, and his business suffers. Example 3. A student's college fee cheque bounces, admission delayed. Under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, cheque bounce is a criminal offence. Old versus new cheque bounce laws. Jail term, up to 1 year. Fine, up to cheque amount only. Case duration, could take 2 or 5 years. Filing, manual, physical filing in courts, no real-time alerts, no RBI database, repeat offenders escaped, no impact on credit score. Example: a 1 lakh bounced cheque could drag in courts for years, leaving the payee helpless. New rules after 2025 amendment. Jail term up to 2 years. Fine, up to double the cheque amount. Case duration, must finish within 90 days. Real-time SMS and email alerts for both parties. RBI maintains a central database of cheque bounces. Bounce now affects credit score directly. Supreme Court ruling. Jail can be avoided if parties settle even after conviction. Supreme Court ruling: jail can be avoided if parties settle even after conviction. With these reforms, cheques are now almost as fast as UPI and NEFT, and cheque bounce is treated more seriously than ever before, so remember, Your check clears within hours, not days. If it bounces, penalties are tougher and faster. This modernization strengthens trust in check payments and protects both individuals and businesses in India. Stay tuned for more updates that affect your money and financial security.